new Codex update is insane. OpenAI just dropped something massive for Codex. Your AI coding agent can now plug straight into Slack, Figma, Notion, Gmail, and Linear. No more copy-pasting between tools, no more switching tabs. Your agent just works inside the tools you already live in. This changes everything about how fast you can build. And the crazy part, it's already rolling out right now. Stick around because I'm going to break down exactly what these plugins do, why this is a big deal for anyone automating their business with AI, and how the AI Profit Boardroom is already using setups like this to save massive amounts of time every single week. So let's talk about what's actually happening here, because this is not just a minor update. OpenAI just made Codex generally available and launched 3 big new features: Codex in Slack, the Codex SDK, and new admin tools. And on top of that, they are now rolling out a full plugin system so that Codex skills and app integrations can be packaged and distributed like proper tools. The whole idea is to package and distribute Codex skills and app integrations as plugins. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. Meaning builders can now connect Codex to the exact tools their teams already use. And the integrations they've launched first, they're the ones that actually matter: Slack, Figma, Notion, Gmail, Linear. These are the tools that real businesses run on every single day. Let me walk you through each one and why it matters. Starting with Slack, this is massive. You can now ask Codex to run tasks from channels and threads. Just mention a Codex with a prompt, and Codex creates a cloud task and replies with the results right there in Slack. Think about what that means for a second. You don't have to leave Slack. You don't have to open a coding environment. You just type what you need done, and Codex handles it. For the AI Profit Boardroom, imagine being able to type iCodex, write a new onboarding sequence for new members right inside our Slack workspace, and having it come back with a fully drafted, ready-to-use email flow. That's the kind of automation that used to take an entire afternoon. Now it takes a few seconds. Here's an open loop for you. Stick around because I'm going to show you how the Figma integration is actually even more wild for anyone building landing pages or sales pages with AI. Now let's talk about Figma. You can now generate Figma design files from Codex using the Figma MCP server, and the MCP server is built to support movement in both directions, bringing working UI onto the Figma canvas and back into code just as easily. So what does that actually look like in practice? You can take details from Figma Design, Figma Make, or FigJam files and pass them into Codex as part of the building process. You give Codex a link to a Figma frame, prompt it to build the design in code, and it extracts all the layouts, styles, and component info automatically. And then you can go the other direction too. With the Generator Figma design tool, you can turn a live running interface into fully editable Figma frames in seconds, bringing real, functioning UI directly onto the canvas. Now, I know what you might be thinking. This sounds complicated, but that's exactly why communities like the AI Profit Boardroom exist, because you don't need to figure all of this out alone. We break it down into step-by-step workflows that any business owner can plug straight into what they're already doing. Whether you're running a content business, an agency, an e-commerce store, these tools apply to you. And if you want to learn how to automate your business with AI tools like Codex, Slack, and Notion working together, that's exactly what we do inside the AI Profit Boardroom. The link is in the description and comments